this. So this is another honey frame, robbed out, or not robbed out, but relocated. A better way to put it. This was just pollen. It's still most of it is. And then we got, all this should be brood from here over. Oh, this is the drone on this side. I put a drone on both sides. I had 2 drone combs. Drone 1, drone 2. And now these are brood frames. There's a drone over here. Look at the cat brood though on that piece. It's really nice. Let's see if we can find some eggers or some emergency cells. Gotta get that sun shining there. Don't see any eggs. You're welcome to take that if you want.